Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. Today we are going to learn the letter U in Malayalam alphabet. So first of all we'll learn how to write it and then we'll learn some words and phrases. So let's get started. The first word is Uttaram. Uttaram. Uttaram is answer. Answer. Uttaram. Like in Sheri Uttaram. Sheri Uttaram. Sheri Uttaram is right answer. Sheri Uttaram. Ulsavam. Ulsavam. Ulsavam is festival. Ulsavam. Ulsavakalam is festival time. Ulsavakalam. Udama. Udama or Udamastan. Udama or Udamastan is owner. Udama, Udamastan. Like in Kadayudama. Kadayudama means shop owner. Kada is shop. Kada Udama. Kadayudama is shop owner. Ucha. Ucha is noon. Ucha is noon. Uchaki shesham means afternoon. Uchaki shesham, afternoon. Udupu. Udupu. Udupu is dress. Udupu, dress. Puttan udupu means new dress. Puttan udupu, new dress. Unakuga. Unakuga is a verb. Unakuga means to dry. Unakuga. Unakuga, to dry. Unakkamundiri. Unakkamundiri means raisins or dried grapes. You know that. Unakkamundiri. Unakkamundiri, raisins. Udan. Udan is soon. Udan is soon. Udan varunu means coming soon. Udan varunu, coming soon. Umma. Umma. Umma has got two meanings in different contexts. So Umma is kiss. Kiss, or it could be mom. So usually in Islamic faith, among Malayalis, they call the moms Umma. So it could be mother, and I think it is just in that faith. I don't know if in any other faith they call that, but Umma is mom in Islam, and then it is generally kiss. Chakkarayumma. Chakkarayumma means sweet kiss. Chakkarayumma, sweet kiss. Uli. Uli is chisel. Uli is chisel. Uli, chisel. Ulli. Ulli is onion. Ulli. Ulli is onion. And there are different types of onions, as you know. Valiya ulli. Valiya ulli is the bigger ones. So commonly in India we say savola or sabola. So that is valiya ulli. And then there is cheriya ulli. Cheriya ulli is shallots. Cheriya ulli, valiya ulli. So those were a few words and a few phrases with the word starting with the letter U. I hope you enjoyed this one. You learned new words and you learned how to write the letter O. So please do comment below and let me know how this video went and what you would like to learn through this channel. And as I always, please like and do share and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Thanks for watching. Namaskaram.